Hey, personal finance students, I'm hoping that you're watching this because that means that you were able to get into Schoology and you were able to find lesson 1. Then, the next thing that you should do, if you haven't already, click on this link here, Meet the Teacher. It's just a quick intro by myself, kind of talking about who I am, so that way you know the voice behind this video today, and so you get to know a little bit more about me before we have our first class meeting on Thursday. So if you're watching this and you are in 5th hour, we're going to have our first class meeting at 12:20 on Thursday. All right. If you're watching this and you are a 2nd hour personal finance person, we'll have our first class meeting, just like the schedule says here, at 8:15. All right, 8:15 on Friday the 18th. All right. So 5th hour, 12:20, 2nd hour, 8:15. You will get an email that looks a lot like this. Now, obviously, it won't say principal office hours. It'll say personal finance first meeting, something like that. It'll come from me, and you can hit yes, maybe no. If you hit yes, though, I'll show you what happens here. You can look at your Google Calendar, and it will show up for you there, which is kind of nice. It serves as a reminder. If you have your Google Calendar linked to your phone, it will remind you. Okay. If you click no, it will just not show up on your calendar. All right. So that's a good idea to click yes there. Anyway, you can join here via the email. All right. It'll be this link. Or also, you can just go to the lesson each day. You can find lesson 2 on Thursday, or like I said, on Friday if you're a 2nd hour person. And you can click the link right here. All right. There will be 2 different links on here. One will say period 5 and the day, Thursday, and the other will say period 2 and Friday. All right, there will be 2 different links there. You click on the one that obviously for the class that you are in, and you'll be linked with me, and we'll walk through our next lesson. But for today, you've watched the Meet the Teacher. Hopefully you're watching this. I just need you to read these 2 things. It'll take you probably a total of 5 minutes, just so that way you know what's going on, what I'm expecting of you, and then I want you to read the classroom guidelines, same thing. That's going to kind of go through what we go through in this class and the grading, stuff like that. But the read daily activity and expectations kind of gives you an outline of like, hey, here's what Mr. Hoagie wants done each class day. All right. So each class day you have to find this lesson. You have to join the Google Meet or the Zoom, depending on the day. I'll have a link here for you, and you'll also get one in your email. So there'll be one of 2 places it'll be. And then lastly today, I want you to do this About Me assignment. It's very straightforward, 21 questions. Name, your school email address, all this fun stuff. Okay, just tell me about yourself a little bit. That way I get to know a little bit more about you. So that way I can kind of tailor some things to what your interests are in this class. If you have any questions, please send me an email. I look forward to meeting with all of you. Like I said in the email that I sent you, I'm excited because this is the first time that I will be teaching this class to all seniors, and so it'll be very, very pertinent information for you in this personal finance class. You'll find it really valuable, I think. So anyway, I will talk to you all on Thursday or Friday.